Hey guys, happy Friday. Also, happy first week back from break. First of all, I'm pretty glad, pretty happy with how you guys came back from break. I know it's hard to get back into it, but we did a good job. We got refocused. Proud of you guys for that. Okay. This week, we're going back into the progressive movement. We're going to go into the reforms folder and then the other reforms folder. Okay, we're going to be talking about the reforms from the progressive movement this week. All right. Monday and Tuesday, we're going to look at the amendments chart. We're going to do that together, at least somewhat. And then Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to work on the tacos quiz. And if we have time, we'll work on the paragraph together. If not, you're going to have to do that on your own. Okay. I think we'll have time. The tacos quiz shouldn't take that long. But if not, then you guys are going to have to do that part on your own. Okay. There's not really that much in this section. Okay. So make sure you focus, you get it done, and, do your best. Okay. Like I said, good job coming back from break and refocusing. And I will see you guys on Monday. Have a nice weekend.